Hello students, welcome to our history class. Here now let us start our civics lesson. In last videos we completed 3 lessons of civics, our local government. The name of our civics, our local government. We completed 3 lessons, our life in society, second is diversity in society, and third lesson is rural local government bodies. Now let us start our lesson number 4, urban local government bodies. The name of our lesson number 4 is urban local government bodies. In this lesson contain 3 points. 4.1 is Nagar Panchayat, 4.2 is Municipal Council, and 4.3 is Municipal Corporation. Now let us start one by one point. First point is Nagar Panchayat. In previous chapter, the name of our previous chapter is rural local government bodies, and the name of our fourth lesson is urban local government bodies. In the previous chapter, we have studied the nature of local government bodies in the rural areas. In last chapter, we completed the study about the rural areas, village areas. In this chapter, we learned something about the local government institution in the urban areas. Cities area, urban areas means cities areas. These include the Nagar Panchayat, the municipal council, and the municipal corporations. Our country has a large number of towns and cities, and they are growing rapidly. You know, student, in our country has a large number of towns and cities, and they are growing rapidly, mostly fastly rapid. Villages are growing into towns, towns into cities, and cities into metropolises. You know, student, villages are growing into big villages means towns, and towns into growing cities, big towns, and then cities into growing metropolises, big cities. The rural areas, neighboring cities are also getting transformed. Yes, students, let's discuss about some points. What are the main problem that cities face? You know, student, which problem face about the cities people? Here some example for Reshma. Reshma had spent a wonderful Diwali vacation with her relatives in a city. Reshma, a girl who had spent a wonderful Diwali vacation with her relatives in a city. However, she began to think about some of her experiences. Here, student, however, she began to think about some experiences, her experiences about the cities. Think along with Reshma about these incidents and write your thoughts in 2 paragraphs. Think about with Reshma about these incidents and write your thoughts in 2 paragraphs. First is, the siren of the ambulance sounded loud and clear, but there was no freeway on the road. You know, student, every time on the road, when ambulance come there, the siren of ambulance sounded loud and clear, but there was no freeway on the road. It is very complicated problem. Then next problem is, as a result of decision to cut the water supply, there was a great crowd at the water supply tankers. You know, in summer season, as a result of the decision to cut the water supply, there was a great crowd, many people at the water supply tankers. Efforts were being made to provide facilities to senior citizens and small children in the parks. Efforts were being made to provide, to achieve facilities to senior citizens, old age people, and small children in the park. Next point is facilities and problems in cities. Here you see a chart, facilities and problem in cities. First is opportunities for industry and business. Facilities in cities, opportunity for industry, factory and business. Then second is expanding service sector. Third is large scale opportunities for jobs. In city, many jobs opportunities available. Fourth number is availability of facilities for entertainment, art, culture, etc. In big city, many facilities of entertainment, movie, circus, cinema, garden, park, etc. Then problems in cities. Here problem also in cities. Shortage of housing. In cities, shortage of housing, insufficient space, less space, traffic congestion, problem of disposal of waste, increasing crime and large proportion of population in slums. Here student, in this chart we completed facilities in cities and problems in cities.